Hello, I trust you're doing great. My name is Ini Obong Manuel, and I just want to welcome you to the web development course. Actually, this course is for free. It's a free course for you to develop your skills on web coding, how to develop a website. So that's why this video is meant to be teaching you, and I will be breaking these videos into sections each day, and it is expected that you go through the video and do what and run through the exercises in order to master and to build up a web development skill. Now, first of all, before you proceed, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please kindly ensure you hit the subscribe button for more of these updates that are going to come up in the future. So once I post any video, you are sure of getting it and receiving the notification. Alright, so without wasting much time, like I said earlier, this video is for those who wants to learn how to design a website, and it's entirely free. Okay, so for you to keep up with the lessons, you need to subscribe to my channel. Alright, so that if there are when there are subsequent videos I post, you will definitely be getting it. Okay, now let's go to what we have for today: understanding the internet. Previously, I used to feel the internet is just like a circle, in the space, or something abstract in space, whereby we connect our computers to. When we connect our computers to it, what happens? We get to browse. But no, it's never any abstract ideas in space. There's nothing about the internet going on in space, neither is it going on in the cloud. Okay, so I want to tell you what the internet looks like. I know a lot of people have been surfing the net with their phones, and probably they don't really understand psychology. Sorry to say, they don't really understand. They don't really pay attention to know about how does this internet of the thing works. Okay, so it's going to be our first tutorial we are having in this web development course. Remember, I said I'll be going straight, I'll be hitting the nail on the head. We move straight to the point till we finally get there. Right, so just take a look at this picture on my screen. Can you see this laptop on this particular edge? This laptop here, and then this is called servers. Okay, this is called what? It's called what? Servers, and this is called the laptop. And some people will be imagining, some people will imagine, how is the internet a long line? Don't worry, I'm going to come back to that, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. So just imagine this is not just only a laptop. This could be your phone, this could be your tablet, this could be any device that can get you connected to the internet. Alright, so what happens? Imagine you pick your laptop like this, you make sure you're on data. What happens? You go to Google, and what goes on? It's being displayed for you on your screen. Do you know the scenarios? Do you know what happens before that is able to be displayed on your screen? Now, this is how the internet works. First of all, identify your system, and note that when you use your system to communicate, what happens? That communication is being sent to an internet service provider. Whatever you write as a prompt on your browser, it is being sent to your internet service provider. I will come back to what an internet service provider means. They help you get access to this internet. All right. Now, for you to get access to this internet on your own end, there's a lot of things going on this other end. Okay. Remember, it's the internet is just a line that can connect different computers from different zones. All right. And those computers, there's what we call a server, and this server system is just meant to be everly online. That is why there are some domains. Sorry for using big grammars and big English. There are some domains that you will log into or you search for at any point in time. What happens? Those web pages opens on your screen. Like, you can't tell me that you went to Google and all you're seeing on your screen is error. No, 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 no. I've never experienced that. So I'm sure no one also has experienced that. What is it trying to tell you? It's trying to tell you that there's a server. Google has a server. Okay? Google has what? A server system that makes their domain, that makes them active 247. And that server should not go off. Okay, if it goes up, people will be having issues doing what? Logging into the site. Are you with me? That's why you see sometimes when you log into a site, it's trying to tell you there's an error, there's something going on. So that's the logic behind it. So this line connecting your client's computer, which I call here my computer, and servers is known as what? The internet. So the internet is not an abstract idea. It's never an abstract idea, nor a spiritual something. Okay? You know, some people like to say, oh, because we have 666 coming up, and probably they are trying to make everything sophisticated by bringing out the internet. No, no, no. The internet is just a line. This line spans across different countries, different places where humans find themselves with their digital devices. And you can log into any browser and do what? And search anything on your browser. What happens? Immediately it gets connected to a server. So it is this server that sends you the feedback that appears on your screen. Alright? So I've been able to explain that. If you have any questions, please kindly write it down in the comment section. I'll be there to pick it up and answer for you. So let's see the bigger picture of this. All right, let's see the bigger picture, bro. This is the bigger picture now. This is the bigger picture of what it is. Now just take an instance. Can you see the same line, this internet line? Yeah, this internet line right here. Remember, it's connecting your server to what? Your client's computers. What do I mean by client computers? Your personal computer that you're using to access the internet. That's what you call client computers. Okay, and these here are what? Servers. These servers contain domain names, and these domain names are never meant to be these domain servers. These servers that manage this domain name are never meant to be off. So a website is being hosted on domain. So you pay for domain. Okay, you pay for a domain when you want to build a website. You pay for a domain. That domain is going to make your website stay live on the internet till when it expires. All right. So I'm not going to go deep into that so that you don't get confused right here. I just want to start. Can you see these two client computers here? Computer 1 and computer 2. What happens? You search the internet. You probably go through your browser and you type what is Google. I'm going to practicalize that right now, but let me explain this diagram first. So with your computer, you now search what is, or just search Google. What happens next is that the information is being sent to your ISP with the aid of your data. That is why you're doing what? That's why you buy data, you subscribe data. Why do you do that? You're trying to communicate with internet service provider that links you up to the internet. Do you understand? Remember, this line here is the internet. This yellow line here, it's the internet.